Guys, years ago, I used to trade like this. I literally load 5 to 7 indicators on my chart, and still I was losing money every day. I was losing money. Then, after blowing up many portfolios, then I decided that enough is enough. I will stop using multiple indicators and use a clean chart that will make me win more trades. Let me show you exactly what was changed. Indicator overload caused me like mind paralysis. Okay, too many signals. Literally, these too many signals were like equals no signal. Like two indicators showing bullish and one indicator shows bearish. Okay, then I don't know what to do. Okay, then price action is the only thing that never lies. Okay, when I removed all drawings. Okay, what was left on my chart was just price action. Okay, that was somewhat working for me. I start noticing like a clean chart equals clear mind, and that equals better entries. And let me show you what I mean by the better entries. The trader with the clean charts win more trades compared to the guy who load 5 to 7 indicators and keep losing money. Like if you really add these indicators, you will still lose money. Like you add super trend and you add like sub indicators like MACD, RSI, Stoch. It will still make you lose money. Okay, so look, this indicator MACD is bearish. These three are kind of bullish. These three below are bearish. Okay, price action is sideways. Now you don't know what to do. You cannot enter short because super trend is still bullish. Parabolic SAR is still like in buy side. Bollinger Band is kind of like inclining up and up. We have higher highs, and these indicators below are bearish. So what you do in this situation, you get rid of all these indicators. So I removed all of my indicators, and finally profits start showing. Why 90% of traders lose money with too many indicators? The things are obvious. Okay, let me show you what obvious things that I was noticing. The first one, I literally don't feel any confusion. The second thing I noticed, better decisions. So that was the another thing I noticed. Okay, and the third thing I noticed was the faster execution. No second guesses, no five different signals. You see the setup. You take the trade in the first. In the first market, like in the fast markets, like a gold, Bitcoin, speed matters. Okay, you don't miss. You don't want to miss. You can, if you are, especially if you are scalping, you cannot miss the important time. For scalpers, time is everything. Okay, so the fourth benefit I got is better entries. Timing is everything. Okay, so you literally just have one or two candles to enter and exit on the right time. Okay, you don't want price to reverse. Like you use 1 minute, 3 minute time frame, and then you don't you look, the price is reversing from here. So this is the move that you want to take right here and then exit. So another benefit I got was no conflicting signals. Okay, so if one indicator was bullish, if I'm really using like a one or two indicators, like two indicators can actually agree on something. Okay, and the rest of the risk management is still depends on trader. Okay, so you cannot blame indicators. You cannot blame trading is a mental game. Scalping is a mental game, guys. So professional traders trade clean. I learned this the hard way after losing thousands of dollars. So what professional traders do? They don't want messy chart. They don't want distraction. They don't want YouTube. They don't want social media during trades. When they want to earn money, they want no distraction. They won't want family problems. They don't want like wife and kids close to their trading desk. You don't want that distraction, okay? You want to be like a laser focused guys. So, and another benefit, less stress and more consistency. And you are using over like a two indicators, then you need to seriously rethink about your trading strategy. Comment down below, what trading indicators do you trust the most? What works for you? What makes you money? Okay. And the last one, this is the last one, guys. Majority of like 98% or maybe 99% indicators are lagging. You want something that works, okay? You want something that works. Let me show you what will work for you, okay? I'm going to show you the working indicator. So you don't see these buy bubbles, you don't see buyers, you see only sellers active. What will happen? Price will go down, your position will go in profit. As you can see right here, what you see, you see moving averages like this turning bearish. This one is crossing down, and then sellers active, okay? And this projection gives you confidence that you are trading in the right direction. I'm up 4%, as you can see right here, okay? Short target, it says it still has potential to go 1.62%, 1.5% more drop. That means I can make a 5 to 7% more profit with this move. Whenever you click exit right here, it will automatically close the trade in just 1 second, okay? You don't have to click close and then confirm again, something like that. You just enter, buy, sell, long, short, okay? And then exit. Click exit, and then this trade is closed in profit, okay? So that's literally how it works. You don't need many indicators, guys, to make money. You need a working setup, and I'm showing you the working setup, okay? I'm showing you the working setup. Look at this. Look at this. I'm up 7%. My profit is like almost 9-10% right here. How can you lose money with this kind of beast? With this kind of proven setup, how can you lose money? You only earn, my friend. So look, candles are making lower low. Okay, maybe we have a one more move to go down. I'll wait for price to confirm before I take a second entry. Write down how much you want to make today, like two good trades, three good trades, and then shut down your system, go outside, spend money. Okay, whatever you earn you can spend, so you don't regret it. So look at this, it's making lower low. I sell again, I short again with the 5x leverage. Just click sell, and then what happens? Price goes down, you make more money. Okay, price is going down and you are making money. This bot, this terminal will book the profit for you. Okay, sometimes traders left the trade open overnight, okay, and then price reverse when they wake up. Price reverse, and then look at my stop loss is at break even right now. It's at 0 0, okay. Whenever this position goes 10% up, my position will close at 5% profit, okay. But right now it's in 0 0. My stop loss is secure, my money is secure at this point, okay. If it goes 10% down, then I can book any profit I want, okay. So you save money this with this setup, okay. It saves you tons of money. It saves your stop loss, okay. It saves your stop loss, and it saves your like time, mental health, okay. the greed is not present in this trade. The greed is not present, guys. Emotions are dead. Okay, you literally see lower low, like moving averages crossing down, sellers active, lower low. What do you expect? Price will go down, your profit will go up. Okay, your profit will go up. You can make a ton of money with the working setup. Look, I'm up like at 8-10% right now. My stop loss will move at 2% already. 2%. So my 10% is secure. If price reverse from here, the bot will close my trade automatically. It reversed, now trade will close. Okay, 2%, that means 10% is secure. If you still want to exit, if you are happy with the 10-12%, you can click on exit anytime. But I won't click anywhere. Okay, I keep moving the mouse. I won't close the trade. Let the bot close the trade for you, book for you. Okay, if it goes down like one more wick downside, you can make 20% easily. Okay, but if bot close the trade for you, this is a semi automatic bot, guys. Bot won't open a trade for you. You open trade, bot manage. Emotions are not present. See, so this is a working clean setup looks like. Okay, now look, it closed the trade, guys. I look at my mouse is here. I wasn't touching anything. And how much I made today, like in this live stream, you can see I made a 15%, near about 15% profit today. Okay, so this is how you should trade. Okay, this is how you should trade. You need a working setup, and here it is. Okay, so if you want this setup, message me in Telegram, message me in WhatsApp, or you know, open my website. And this is yours. Okay, and this is very affordable, guys. It saves you tons of money. It trades for you, manage your trade, and gives you confidence. So this is it for now. So if you like this video, please share this video to your trader friends, to your brothers who trade with you, and then subscribe, and please comment your working strategy.